What is up, everyone? Today we're going to be, that's the bell, guys. We're going to be trading live in the market. The two trades today I'm looking for is to short BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond, and we're also looking to short CGC. I think CGC has room to 17. And also, real quick, guys, on my options, I have Roku probably going long and Tesla long term. I don't know if I'm going to buy a call for this, or I'm just going to buy long term. I'm not really sure, but those are my long term options. That's why I'm going to put that aside real quick. I have multiple monitors. Basically right here, guys, I'm gonna definitely look to either buy puts or short CGC. This is a marijuana cannabis company that's doing awful, and same thing with BBBY. BBBY is also falling hard right now. Looks like it's definitely going down, and I'm definitely going to be entering a short position right now on BBBY. I'm short right now, and same thing, I'm waiting for a good opportunity in CGC. BBBY short right now, where you see the line. I'm looking for possible $11. We're going to put right here is my goal. I am short right now. Right here at 13.75 is my stop loss. Not a physical stop loss, but definitely a mental stop loss at that. I'm just looking over here at my other screens right now. Let's look. This might be a good time. Okay, I'm short right now. I'm short right now at 1927 for CGC and 67 for BBBY. I'm also looking over here on my other screen if I should put options. We're gonna wait and see, guys. Definitely thinking about it. Also, if we take a look right here, my Tesla long is going good. I went long at 248 even. Definitely not touching Roku. Roku looks like it might be going down, might be facing resistance, but we shall wait and see, guys. It is very, very early. Definitely we're gonna wait and see this one out. I might have to pause the video. Up in BBBY. Nope, break even right now. Definitely might have to pause the video and continue it later, but definitely up in BBBY right now. I'll be right back, guys, when more things update. I don't want to just sit here just rambling for the whole time. Alrighty, so definitely up in BBBY right now. It was at 12.59. I definitely got in at 12.67. Like I said, that's about right here. 9 cents. I'm looking for at least 15 cents. Let's zoom in right here. Definitely, I need this to keep falling. Let's back out. I definitely think we can get it. Ideally, realistically, I want at least 55, if not 12.50. 12.50 is my main goal. This one definitely falling. I was definitely right. Both of them going down, and let's wait it out. All right, guys, we're back. Definitely seeing a fall, and I'm getting out of BBBY right now. I'm literally getting out. 12.55. I am out. Made about 12 cents a share. Sorry about that. And then right here, guys, we had a huge red candle, low of 18.59. If we can get to 18.55, I will look to sell. If we get to 19, I'm gonna cut my losses. Not really cut my losses, but definitely take half of the profit, because I got in right about maybe 19.10, and 10 cents is not that good considering I got some puts on this. But definitely, if we can, I mean, it's still a good profit, but if we can get down to break a lows of 18.55 and 18.50, I'm definitely gonna look to sell. But so far, a huge win on BBBY. And also, if we pull up right here, if we pull up Tesla, definitely a good win on these calls, guys. For sure, I'm going to be getting out of this soon. And then Roku, I think, is still going down. Yep, it's definitely not good. Here we go, guys. We're starting to see a fall. I'm going to put Tesla right back here because I do have some calls. I only have one call left. I am exiting. I got in right here around 58. Yeah, somewhere around here. So definitely up big here. I need this to fall. I definitely want it to keep falling. But there we go, guys. Regardless, I set these lines, as you could see. And let's wait, right? Let me just drag in. Let's have this ready. This I'm getting out. And I'm getting out, guys. I'm out. So far, we have 2 for 2. We're out Tesla. Oh, right here. Oh, my God, bro. Out Tesla. And right before I sold, that's beautiful. And I'm out BBBY. Let's wait for CGC. And then hopefully we could. I might even change my mind to 12.70 just to get out. I call it a day here, guys. It is 9:50, so let's see if I can get 18.70, because I do have good puts in this. Let's go, boys. Let's go. I'm changing it to 70. Let's go. I'm definitely up a lot here, guys. I'm calling it a day right as soon as this falls, and I'm out, bro. Come on. I'll definitely I'll update you guys when this refreshes. All right, I don't want to just sit here talking to them. Let's wait it out. Alrighty, guys. Final update. I'm out right now. Up a shit ton. BBBY definitely still kept falling. I wish I would have held a little longer. Definitely have to practice and plan on holding my trades for longer. That's for sure. I'm out on all three of my trades, guys. We have BBBY, profitable first trade. I made 10 cents. We have CGC at some. I'm so hyped, guys. We had some puts right here at like 19, 10. Amazing. And then we had some Tesla, guys. Tesla went amazing also. So far, if you can tell my voice, I'm so fucking hyped, bro. Because like those were all good trades. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm out, yo. Peace.